Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Xero for beginners. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that helps small businesses manage their finances with ease. To get started, sign up for a Xero account and log in to the dashboard. The dashboard is where you will see an overview of your business's financial performance, including income, expenses, and cash flow. On the top menu bar, you will find the main navigation tabs, including Dashboard, Accounts, Purchases, Sales, and Payroll. To set up your Xero account, start by setting up your company profile, including your business name, address, and tax details. Next, connect your bank account to Xero by going to the Accounts tab and clicking on Add Bank Account. This will allow you to automatically import your bank transactions into Xero. To manage your finances, start by creating invoices for your customers. Go to the Sales tab and click on New Invoice. Enter the customer's details. Add the items or services you are invoicing for, and set the payment terms. You can also customize your invoice templates to match your business brand. To track your expenses, go to the Purchases tab and click on New Bill. Enter the supplier's details. Add the items or services you are purchasing, and set the payment terms. You can also upload receipts and invoices from your suppliers to keep track of your expenses. To reconcile your bank transactions, go to the Accounts tab and click on Reconcile. Match the bank transactions in Xero with the transactions on your bank statement to ensure that your accounts are accurate and up to date. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Xero include regularly reconciling your bank transactions, keeping your invoices and bills up to date, and monitoring your cash flow to ensure that your business is financially healthy. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Xero to streamline your accounting and financial management, and focus on growing your business.